summer's warmth begins to fade. The days, once long and bright, start to shorten. A crispness fills the air, a hint of the coming chill. The sun, lower in the sky, casts a golden glow on the landscape. This is the time when nature prepares for a grand transformation. It is the time when summer gives way to the magical spectacle of the Canadian autumn. Nestled among rolling hills and sparkling lakes, the town of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade is a hidden gem in the heart of Quebec. The landscape here is a painter's palette, with hues of red, orange, and gold splashed across the hills and reflected in the serene waters of the lakes. Each season brings its own charm, but autumn is when the town truly comes alive. Lies the small town of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade. This quaint town, with its rich history and vibrant community, offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life. The streets are lined with trees that burst into a riot of colors as the temperatures drop, creating a picturesque setting that feels almost magical. Its charming houses, with their sloping roofs and brightly painted doors, seem to blend seamlessly into the landscape. These homes, many of which have stood for generations, tell stories of the past while providing a warm and welcoming atmosphere for both residents and visitors alike. The architecture is a testament to the town's heritage, with each house adding to the overall charm and character of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade. Life here moves at a slower pace, dictated by the rhythms of nature. The residents of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade take pride in their close-knit community, where everyone knows each other and lends a helping hand when needed. The town's calendar is filled with seasonal events and festivals that bring people together, celebrating the beauty of their surroundings and the changing seasons. The air is filled with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. This earthy aroma, combined with the crispness of the autumn air, creates an invigorating atmosphere that is both refreshing and calming. It's a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds the town and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The sound of the wind rustling through the trees is a constant melody. This gentle symphony, accompanied by the occasional chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves underfoot, provides a soothing backdrop to daily life in Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade. It's a place where one can truly connect with nature and find peace in the simple pleasures of life. As summer fades, the town of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade and its inhabitants eagerly await the arrival of autumn. This season is a time of transformation, as the landscape changes and the community comes together to celebrate the harvest and prepare for the colder months ahead. The anticipation of autumn brings a sense of excitement and renewal as the town embraces the beauty and bounty of this special time of year. From the vibrant foliage to the crisp air, every aspect of autumn in Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade is a reminder of the enduring connection between the land and its people. Sophie and Alex, two young residents of Sainte-Anne-de-la-Parade, share this anticipation. Every year, they eagerly await the arrival of autumn. They love the crisp autumn air, the smell of fallen leaves, and the vibrant colors that paint the landscape. For them, autumn is a time of adventure, a time to explore the woods behind their house. The first sign of the coming change is subtle. The edges of the maple leaves, once a vibrant green, begin to take on a hint of yellow. Like a watercolor painting, the colors blend seamlessly, green melting into pale yellow. This subtle transformation signals the start of a breathtaking spectacle. It is the beginning of the maple leaves dance, a dance that will culminate in a riot of color. Section 5, a kaleidoscope of color. As the days grow shorter, the transformation accelerates. The once vibrant green leaves begin their metamorphosis, signaling the arrival of autumn. This change is not just a visual treat, but a reminder of the cyclical nature of life. The trees, in their silent wisdom, prepare for the cold months ahead by shedding their leaves, creating a spectacle that draws admirers from all over. The yellows deepen into rich golds. Each leaf, a tiny masterpiece, reflects the sun's golden rays, creating a warm, inviting glow. It's as if the trees are holding on to the last remnants of summer, capturing the sunlight in their leaves. This golden phase is fleeting, but its beauty is unparalleled, offering a moment of serenity and reflection. Crimson and scarlet hues emerge, setting the leaves ablaze. The vibrant reds and deep scarlets are a stark contrast to the earlier golds, symbolizing the peak of autumn's beauty. These fiery colors evoke a sense of passion and intensity, reminding us of the fleeting nature of time and the importance of savoring each moment. The once green canopy transforms into a kaleidoscope of color, a breathtaking tapestry woven by nature. Each tree contributes its unique shade, creating a harmonious blend of colors that is both mesmerizing and humbling. This natural artwork is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the world around us. The maples, with their fiery foliage, become the stars of the show. Their bold colors capture the eye and the imagination, standing out against the backdrop of the forest. These trees, often taken for granted during the rest of the year, now command attention and admiration, showcasing their full potential. Other trees join the spectacle, their leaves turning shades of russet, brown, and golden yellow. Each tree, regardless of its species, adds to the overall beauty of the scene. The diversity of colors and textures creates a rich, layered effect, making the forest feel alive and dynamic. The entire forest becomes a canvas for nature's artistry. From an aerial view, the landscape looks like a patchwork quilt, each section meticulously crafted by the hands of nature. This grand display is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the beauty that can be found in every corner of the natural world. As we take in this breathtaking view, we are reminded of the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Section 6. The joy of falling leaves. The first leaves detach themselves from their branches, twirling gracefully as they descend. Sophie and Alex love to chase these falling leaves, their laughter echoing through the crisp autumn air. They gather armfuls of leaves, tossing them high into the air and watching them rain down around them. Each falling leaf is like a tiny piece of art, a reminder of the fleeting beauty of nature. Section 7. The science of autumn. This magical transformation is not just a visual spectacle, it is a scientific marvel. As the days shorten and the temperatures drop, the production of chlorophyll, the pigment that gives leaves their green color, slows down and eventually stops. This allows other pigments, always present but masked by the chlorophyll, to reveal themselves. Carotenoids give the leaves their yellow and orange hues, while anthocyanins paint them red and purple. Section 8. Winter's preparation. The falling leaves are not a sign of death, but of preparation. As the trees shed their leaves, they conserve energy and water, preparing for the harsh winter ahead. The leaves falling to the ground decompose and enrich the soil, providing nutrients for the next generation of trees. Thus, the cycle of life and death continues, a cycle beautifully illustrated by the dance of the maple leaves. Section 9. A carpet of gold. Walking through the forest, Sophie and Alex's feet sink into a thick carpet of leaves. The air is filled with the sweet, earthy smell of decay, a reminder that nothing in nature is ever truly lost. The leaves rustle beneath their feet, creating a symphony of sound. They kick up piles of leaves, sending them swirling through the air like golden confetti. Section 10. The trees stand tall. As the last leaves fall, the trees stand bare, their branches stark against the clear blue sky. But their strength is not diminished. They stand tall and proud, resilient in the face of winter's chill. They have weathered countless winters before, and they will weather countless more. Their bare branches are a testament to their endurance, a promise of renewal. Section 11. A promise of return. The dance of the maple leaves may be over for another year. As the vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows drift gently to the ground, they create a breathtaking tapestry on the forest floor. But it is not a final goodbye. Each leaf that falls is a testament to the cycle of life, a cycle that promises renewal and rebirth. It is a promise of return, a silent vow that the trees will once again burst forth with life. The bare branches, now stripped of their autumn glory, hold the potential for future growth. A reminder that even in the depths of winter, when the world seems cold and lifeless, there is a hidden vitality waiting to emerge. The snow blankets the trees, protecting the buds that will one day bloom. Spring's rebirth is never far away. As the snow begins to melt, the first signs of life start to appear. Tiny buds push through the melting snow, heralding the arrival of a new season. And when the warmth of spring returns, the forest awakens from its long slumber. The buds swell and burst open, revealing the tender green leaves that have been waiting patiently for their moment in the sun. The cycle will begin anew. The trees, once bare and dormant, are now alive with the promise of new growth. The forest is transformed, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. The maple trees will awaken from their slumber, their branches once again adorned with vibrant green leaves. Each leaf is a symbol of hope and renewal, a reminder that life is a continuous cycle of change and growth. Their branches once again adorned with vibrant green leaves, ready to dance their beautiful dance once more. The leaves sway gently in the breeze, a graceful ballet that celebrates the return of life and vitality, ready to dance their beautiful dance once more. The forest, now lush and green, is a living testament to the promise of return. Each season brings its own beauty, but the cycle of the maple trees reminds us that even in the darkest times, there is always the promise of renewal and rebirth.